Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope everyone is having an amazing day. Okay, cut. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having an amazing day, weekend, whatever it is. Today we are hopefully going to 7 locations. I already loaded up the truck, mostly. These are some extra boxes. I just want to like burn them or something, but yeah. So it's currently raining right now. And I have to put these in the back of my truck. Hopefully they don't get wet. Alright, so we are on our way to the first location. It's a beautiful day here in Houston, Texas. Thompson Vending's out here, rain or shine, baby, rain or shine. The rain, as much as I don't want it to affect me, it might slow me down a little bit, just because that's natural. You know, but unfortunately I might not be able to get to all the locations today, but we're gonna definitely try our best, and hopefully I don't have to go to Sam's Club today. And we got to get some gas too. Alright, we just got to location number 1. Let's see how it does. 2-week collection. We're leaving location number 1. It did pretty good, I think. Pretty average. I'm gonna go to the next location and then hit up Sam's Club. Alright, just got to location number 2. This is a 1-week collection. Alright, just left location number 2 after a 1-week collection. And this is what it did in a week. Probably like 20 bucks. So that's gonna be definitely a 2-week collection also. I'm like soaked. I don't know what sort of windbreaker technology this is, but it's like stuck to my skin. I don't know. I'm not having it today. My God, these freaking windshield wipers. Jeez. On to location 3. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've been to like 10 locations today. Alright, I'm leaving Sam's Club, and oh my gosh, there looks like way more rain. Alright, just pulled up to location 3. I'm gonna like go like full speed ahead because it's about a dump. Just left location number 3. Rain's coming down a little more, but here's location number 3 after a week. On to location 4. That's about how my day's going right now. Sorry if today hasn't been really entertaining. Some days are more entertaining than others. Some days are just average days, but I figured I'd take you guys along anyways, and you guys can see what I do every single day, entertaining or not. I mean, I hope you guys still think it's entertaining, but yeah, on to location number 4. Just now leaving location number 4, and it did okay. On to location number 5, and this is going to be the last one for today because the other 2 are a bit of a drive. I can hit those up tomorrow, and yeah, it's about to start raining a lot harder too. Alright, so location number 1 did $34.50. Second location did $25.55. Alright, so location number 3 made $41.25 after 1 week. Alright, location number 4 did $46.60 after 1 week. Alright, so the last location, location number 5, did $15.90. Alright, so today from all the locations, all 5 of them, we made $163.80 off 5 locations. So yeah, pretty good collection, and we'll see you guys in the next one.